Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Abdul Aziz. I'm from English Department Postgraduate Program at University of Muhammadiyah, Gresik. Okay, today I want to present my research under the title Perception on Collaborative Writing, Self-Efficacy and Writing Achievement in Information Technology Era, a Correlation Study. The background of the study. We know that writing is one of skill that should be learned by the student at school, but the student get many problem in learning writing. The problem in learning writing is no idea and willingness to write, no space and chance to write, lacking of vocabulary, limited knowledge about grammar. Karadat and Kayabasi in Bulu 2017 also stated that the main reason for the student reluctant to write are lack of self-confidence and lack of motivation. Dealing with self-confidence and motivation, uh, the scientists say that students have problem with their self-efficacy. What is self-efficacy? Self-efficacy is people judgment of their capability. He conveyed that people's sense of self-efficacy affect their motivation, behavior, and action. Besides self-efficacy, some researchers found that collaborative writing is one of effective way for the learner who have low self-efficacy. But the perception toward collaborative writing is also important to be investigated. So this current study will investigate uh, whether there are correlation between student perception on collaborative writing and student self-efficacy and correlation among student perception on perception on collaborative writing, student self-efficacy, and student writing achievement. The method. This mixed method study using quantitative and qualitative. The quantitative data of the study was gained from 62 students who have been taught using collaborative writing during one semester in 2019 and 2020 academic year. The data included student perception on collaborative writing questionnaire, student self-efficacy questionnaire, and student writing score. The instrument used in this study is a questionnaire about student perception on collaborative writing, adapted from Farah. It is consisted of 18 statements with the reliability is 0.892 and student self-efficacy questionnaire adopted from Moore's 2001 with reliability is 0.80. The last is semi-structure interview. The result of the study. The first research question is finding whether there is correlation between student perception on collaborative writing and student self-efficacy. Using the formula of correlation product moment, the results show that the score is 0.377. It is bigger than 0.05, means that there is positive significant correlation between student perception on collaborative writing and student self-efficacy. And then to know the second research question, that is to know the correlation among student perception on collaborative writing, student self-efficacy, and student writing score, or student writing achievement. The researcher used the following step. The step is using analysis model summary. The results show that R square value is 0.394, This means that the effect of student perception on collaborative writing and student self-efficacy towards student writing achievement is 39.4%, and the rest is influenced by other factors. The second step is using analysis of ANOVA. The research showed that F value is 19.216 with significant level at 0.00 that is bigger than 0.05. This means that there is correlation between independent variable. So using the two-step stated that there is correlation among student perception on collaborative writing, student self-efficacy, and student writing achievement. And then based on the interview from the student, they argued that self-efficacy had relationship with the student perception because of some reason. The first, ones who have good self-efficacy thought that they had such a good sense of doing something. This influenced to what they will do. The better self-efficacy, the better action they will do. And then the second, one perception towards something was as a result of behavior and influenced by each other perception. This statement was as Azam stated that he added that behavior will potentially be influenced directly or indirectly. Okay, the conclusion of our presentation today. Self-efficacy is one of the most important affective factor influential on the writing skill. Self-efficacy motivation is the belief that one's have in one's ability. In learning writing, self-efficacy takes an important role for the student writing achievement. The other factor which also contribute is the perception toward collaborative writing. Based on the research finding, there is correlation between student perception and collaborative writing and student self-efficacy. This current research also found that there are correlations among student perception on collaborative writing, student self-efficacy, and student writing score. It also strengthened with the student opinion that they get new knowledge by sharing ideas, get peer reviewing within the group, and make good relationship for better writing achievement after implementing collaborative writing. The result of this study also suggests for the next research that it is very important to build good perception and self-efficacy toward learning as well as student motivation and student self-efficacy to increase the goal of learning writing. Okay, that's all my presentation today. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.